In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Instagram Reels recommended on Facebook. You can simply push your Reels on Instagram to also be shown and suggested on Facebook in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, tap right here on Creator Tools and Controls. You will have to select the option of cross-posting. Then enable this option of Recommend Reels on Facebook. Whenever you post an Instagram Reel, it will be suggested to your friends and other users on Facebook too. This gradually builds up your engagement as a creator. That's how easy it is to get your Instagram videos suggested on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.